Hi guys, this is from Modern Techies. Today I'm going to unbox MSI GF63 thin gaming laptop. Here is the specifications on the box, and here are the some specifications I have mentioned in these slides. You can have a quick glance if you want to know. This is 1040 IN model. You can see I bought it from Flipkart, and this is how it looks. It comes in a black color box with the MSI logo. Inside on the left side you can see you will get charging cable. I think only plug is there. Adapter will be inside, and inside you can see some paperwork. I think some, if you want to read, you can read. This is the laptop, so you will keep aside. And inside you can see you will get some MSI quick guidebook and some screws and hardware for hard disk expansion. And inside you can see at last you can see you will get power brick. This is the 120-watt AC adapter. You can see this is how the pin looks. So let's come to the laptop. So guys, the laptop comes in this some black color cloth material. Inside that, now you can see here it is, the MSI GF63 laptop. Wow! You can see the MSI logo and all metallic build on the top of the laptop. It's a bit lighter, and on opening you can see, you can immediately realize it is a anti-glare screen. And wow, can see that is the keyboard layout. And yeah, let us come to the specific ports and all. On the left side you can see a ventilator over here and a power connector in the middle, and you get USB 3.2 port and a charging indicator. On the right side you can see an headphone jack and dedicated microphone jack, two USB 3.2 ports, and a type C USB 3.2 and RJ45 LAN connector and Kingston lock. On the back side you can see an HDMI cable in the middle. And if you go, this is how the design was made, and at the end you can see the ventilators. Yeah, now let's talk about the screen. It is 15.6 Full HD IPS panel, and on the top you can see HD webcam. It has 720p at the rate of 30 fps, and these are the very thin bezels. You can, at the bottom of the screen you can see a thick bezel, the MSA name in the middle, and you'll get a plastic hinge. And this is all the metallic keyboard layout. You can see this is how the keyboard layout looks like. It doesn't have any numpad, and it has all the privacy shutter for webcam disable functions and all. I will tell those keys later. And when it comes to, this is the power button. First impression, not that great, I would say. It is not that tactile, but it has that gamery look. I think when you power on, everything will glow out. Yeah, this is the trackpad. My initial impressions are okay. When I am clicking the trackpad, it's a bit going on, but let's see how it works when I power down. So let's come to the processor part. So this is powered by Intel 9th generation with a base clock of 2.4 GHz and up to goes 4.1 GHz, and powered by NVIDIA 4GB DDR6 G1650 Ti Max Q Edition GPU. So I will test all the games and all in the future video. You can stay tuned for those. And at the bottom you can see this is how the overall design looks, and this is all plastic underneath this metal. Let's come to the back. The back, they has some X kind of look. They have designed like that. And this is the factory seal, guys. If it comes with 2-year warranty, you should not remove this factory seal until you want to expand any RAM or SSD slot. You have to go to the official service center. And this is the ventilator. You can see copper pipe, and it only has a single fan. It is not a dual fan, but MSI is saying that it has a better cooling system by optimizing through software. And you can see ventilators at the all the sides of the at the back side, bottom of the laptop. And this is all the design. You can see it feels so cool. Yeah, and these are the rubber straps, guys. This comes at all the four sides of the laptop, when you keep on any glassy surface to stick on the glass. These are useful, so these are rubber. This is the 120-watt AC adapter, and the laptop comes with 51 watt hour battery. Yeah guys, now I just booted up by connecting to the charger. You can see in the meanwhile, wow, this is the red color backlit keyboard. There are some function keys I will tell later. So this is how the keyboard looks like when it is powered on. And let me quickly set up the windows. Yeah, it is almost ready. Yeah guys, finally, wow, the screen is fantastic. My first impression of this is fantastic. It is an IPS display, 60 Hz refresh rate display. I can see from all the angles it is pretty decent for now, but my first impressions are awesome. You can see this is the specification: 8 GB RAM, 64 Windows 10 Home, and you can see the GPU mentioned over there, 1650 Ti Max Q. And guys, let me show you the screen. So the screen is solid. It's not too much harder, too much shaky, but it is good. You can see you can tilt up to, I think, more than 120 degrees, I think. So this is pretty much enough for me. I don't want to tilt on more than that. And let's test the music loudness, volume. You can see you can increase by function right arrow, function plus left arrow is decreasing the volume. Wow, the voice is pretty low. Volume, clarity is also low. You can see this is where the sound is coming from. Yeah guys, so now let's come to the keyboard layout. So you can see anything with function and page down will decrease the backlit, page up will increase the backlit lighting. You can adjust, and there are so many options you can do with this function key, and I will keep one picture after few seconds. You can see all the functions over there. So you can see these are all we can do with those function keys. It's pretty much awesome. Also this is the battery guys. So this is 51 hour watt hour battery. So they told it will take up to 2.5 hours to charge and give 4 7 hours of battery life, but those are just predictions. I will test this battery life in a separate video I will post it, so stay tuned for it. So yeah, that's it guys. So that's it guys, this is the video of unboxing NSA gaming laptop. If you like this video guys, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, have a nice day. So I will be posting more videos on after analyzing the laptop more with some more games and video editing, and I'll post everything, so stay tuned guys.